Hey my babies, come with me to CVS to teach you how to coupon almost $90 worth of products with just $20.
Hey, before we get into the video, go ahead and follow me to join my Bougie Bestie community or subscribe to my channel. Like, save, and repost this video and drop a heart in the comment section. Thank you.
Grab 2 bottles of Nivea men's body wash priced at $5.99. When you buy 2, you're going to earn back $7 in extra care bucks. Clip this $2 CRT. Hey, I know it says women's, but you can use it for the men's body wash. If you would like to get the Nivea women's body wash, you can. Priced at $6.99, so you'll pay $2 more. Total is $11.98 minus our $2 coupon. So let's go check out and pay $9.98 plus taxes. All right, $9.98 plus taxes. You will earn back that $7 in extra care bucks, and we're going to use this on transaction number 2. Okay, bestie, so I've seen all your comments about feminine care products, so we're going to pick up some Poise pads for the second transaction. When you buy 2, you're going to earn back $7 in extra care bucks. We're going to start by picking up a 26 count of liners priced at $5.89, a 54 count of liners priced at $8.29 at my store. 54 count does have a manufacturer coupon. I'll clip this $2.50 coupon. This is all that should be in your cart. Our total is $14.18, but we have $2.15 coupons and $7 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction. Check out and pay $4.68. Our coupon for $7 extra care bucks. Make sure you send that to your card before you go check out. For $68. You see it. We've earned $7 back in extra care bucks again. Now let's use this on transaction number 3. Okay, besties, next up, pick up 2 tubes of Colgate Optic White toothpaste. It's at $5.99 this week, and when you buy 2, you're going to earn back $5 in extra care bucks. Clip this 5 off 2 coupon. Okay, my babies, this is all that should be in your doggone cart. Our total is $11.98, but y'all know we're not paying that because it's bougie over here. $5 in coupons and $7 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction. It's us to pay $0.00. Period. Now let's go check out. You see it. Okay, we've earned our $5 back in extra care bucks, and we're going to use this on our next transaction. Okay, besties, next up, pick up 2 bottles of Dove shampoo and conditioner, priced at $5.49 a piece. Buy 2, you're going to earn back $5 in extra care bucks. Clip this 4 off 2 coupon. Okay, my babies, this is all that should be in your cart. Total is $10.98, but we have $4 in coupons and $5 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction. Leaves us to pay $1.98. Now let's go check out. $1.98. We'll earn $5 in extra care bucks, and we're going to use this on our final transaction. This week's certain qualifying Gain items are priced 2 for $15. Pick up 1 42 count of the Gain Flings, 1 Gain Liquid. Your Coupon 24 app, clip these 2 coupons, this $2 off on your Gain Liquid and this $3 off on your Gain Flings. Besties, before you go check out in your Coupon 24 app, make sure you have these 2 coupons clipped. Click right up here where it says switch to QR code. Enlarge it, and you're going to scan this at checkout. My baby, so this is exactly what your cart should look like. Our total is $15 minus $5 in coupons and $5 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction. Leave you to pay just $5 plus taxes. But y'all know me, Sweet Pea. I always tell y'all, honey, I got a husband, so I'm going to use his $3 coupon for his Gain Flings. So I have $6 in coupons and $5 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction. So I'm going to go check out and pay $4 plus taxes. $4 plus taxes. Before you put your Crocs in sports mode to go squirt these deals, don't forget to follow me, and don't forget to come back and let me know if you score or not. Okay, I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna call you back.